Welcome to Ask and Learn.
Hello everyone, in this problem we are given that a floor in the nursing home consists of 18 patients on oxygen, 13 patients on bed alarms, and 4 of these patients are both in oxygen and bed alarms. Also, we are given that if 40 patients are chosen at random, now in the first part we need to find the probability that they are on the oxygen and a bed alarm. Before getting into the first part of the question, so with the given information we have drawn the Venn diagram. So with this Venn diagram we can say that only 14 patients are in oxygen, 4 patients are both in oxygen and bed alarm, and 9 patients are in bed alarms. So in the first part of the question, so for out of 40 patients, so it would be the probability that they are both on oxygen and a bed alarm would be 4 by 27. So out of 40 patients, it would be the part of 4 by 27, 40 into 4 by 27. So simplifying this, we get this value as 6. So therefore the probability will be, that is the probability of a patient having an oxygen and a bed alarm will be 6 by 40. So simplifying this, we get this value as 0.15. Now let us move on to the next part of the question, where we need to find the probability that the patients are on oxygen or bed alarm. So according to the Venn diagram, 14 by 27 plus 9 by 27. 14 by 27 represents the patients on oxygen and 9 by 27 represents the patients on the bed alarm. So its sum will be 23 by 27. So this part is either on oxygen or in bed alarm. So out of 40 patients, 23 by 27 part should be in either oxygen or in bed alarm. So it will be 23 by 27 into 40. So simplifying this, we get this value will be approximately equal to 34. So therefore its probability will be 34 by 40. So simplifying this, we get this value as 0.85. Now let us move on to the next part of the question, where we need to find the odds in favor of the patient is on oxygen. So odds in favor on oxygen will be given as the ratio of probability of patients on oxygen and the probability of patients or not in oxygen. So it would be 40 times of 18 by 27 divided by 40 times of 9 by 27. So simplifying this, we get this value as 2. Now let us move on to the next part of this question. So here we need to find the odds against patients on a bed alarm. So odds against a patient on a bed alarm. So it would be given as the ratio of probability of number of patients not in bed alarm and the probability of number of patients in bed alarm. So its value will be 40 times of 14 by 27 the whole divided by 40 times of 13 by 27. So simplifying this, we get this value as 1.07. So these are the required answers for this question. I hope you found the answer useful. Thank you.